Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shamela and you're watching Shami's Kitchen. Today let's make easy Indo-Chinese chicken at home within 30 minutes. My family's favorite dish, dragon chicken. It tastes the same as restaurant style dragon chicken and it's very easy to make that too within 30 minutes. So let's see the process. In a bowl, add 750 grams boneless chicken strips. Add 1 egg, 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon soya sauce, half teaspoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon maida, 1 tablespoon corn flour. Combine everything well and set this aside for 15 minutes. And now heat oil in a pan. Drop these marinated chicken strips in hot oil. Deep fry till it becomes golden brown and tender. Once done, drain this chicken in a paper towel and set this aside. And next I'm making sauce. Heat 3 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 10 to 15 cashews, 3 dry red chilies, 2 tablespoon finely chopped garlic, half cup spring onions. Give a mix. Then go on by adding 1 cup capsicum, 1 cup red bell pepper, 1 cup yellow bell pepper. Fry this for a minute. Goes in 1/4 cup tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, 1 tablespoon red chili sauce, half teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon vinegar, half teaspoon sugar. Cook this on medium-high heat for half a minute. And now add some water. And now again cook this for few seconds on medium-high heat. Adjust salt if required. Give this a very nice mix. And to this I'm adding the fried chicken. Give this a very nice mix. Sprinkle some finely chopped spring onions. Roast it for 30 seconds and then switch off the flame. Now transfer this on serving plate and serve hot with fried rice or noodles. This easy spicy dragon chicken recipe is simple to make and it tastes incredible by itself. My family loves it when I make this chicken for dinner. So guys, I encourage you to try this at home and let me know how it turned out for you. And follow us on Instagram page shamis.kitchen for more short recipes and updates, and subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more amazing recipes. Take care and have a nice day.